Welcome to my channel. When we want to specify a noun, we use the before it. In this video, I'll be speaking about how the is used in a sentence. By the end of the video, you'll be confident about how to use the before noun in a sentence. I've uploaded videos on topics like sentences, phrases, parts of sentences, types of sentences, and articles like a and an. If you haven't seen those videos yet, please check them out using the links given in the description box. The is a definite article. We use the before a noun to specify it. Let's take few examples. I've read the book which you gave me yesterday. Let's walk through the front gate. I've visited the mall that you had referred to. To remain fit, use the staircase and not the lift. If you notice in these sentences, you'll find that in order to specify something, we've used the before that noun. We also use the before superlative degrees. Let's take few examples. The sweetest song, the most intelligent student, the most spectacular view, the tallest boy or girl, the smartest way of avoiding. This is how we use the with words like first, last, next, only, same, following, previous. Let's take few examples. The last bench, the first person, the next moment, the only person remaining, the same thing being repeated over and over again, the following day, the previous day. We don't use the before words like last night, last week, last month, or last year. Let's take few examples. I visited my aunt last month. Tina returned from London last week. Geeta completed her graduation last year. She attended a party last night. The is used before a common noun when it represents the whole class. Let's take few examples. The horse is a noble animal. The dog is a faithful animal. The vulture eats flesh. The lion is a king of the forest. In these sentences, the horse, the dog, the vulture, and the lion are words used to represent the whole class. Those are common nouns representing the whole class. Now let's learn how the is used with nouns like earth, moon, sun, sky, etc., which are one of its kind. Let's take few examples. The moon is shining in the sky. The earth revolves around the sun. We also use the with names of rivers, seas and oceans, mountain ranges, holy books, names of trains, ships and aeroplanes, names of newspapers, and well-known buildings. Let's take few examples. The Ganga, the Brahmaputra, the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Himalayas, the Alps, the Bible, the Mahabharat, the Rajdhani Express, the Boeing 747, the Titanic, the Hindu, the Times of India, the Taj, the Red Fort, etc. We also use the to name directions for the whole family and for countries with names containing a common noun. Let's take few examples. The north, the west, the east, the south, the northwest, the southeast, etc. The Bachchans, the Khans, the Kapoors. The United States of America, the United Kingdom, the United Arab Emirates. Let's now see how the is used with word combinations. Let's take few examples. To speak the truth, to play the violin, in the morning, in the afternoon, on the one hand, on the other hand. Look at these sentences carefully. The rich should help the poor. Here, the rich means rich people and the poor means poor people. Here are few more examples of the same kind of sentences. The more we get, the more we desire. Here, the more means anything which we receive in abundance. The higher we go, the cooler it is. The higher means high altitude. The cooler means the temperature drops. Cloth is sold by the meter. Here, the meter means the measurement of the cloth. We can buy oranges by the dozen. Here, the dozen means quantity. Here's another interesting way of using the. The poet and the dramatist have been honored. In the sentence, the poet and the dramatist are two different people. Look at another sentence. The poet and dramatist has been honored. Here, the poet and dramatist is the same person. Hope the video was helpful. If you found the video useful, please be sure to share it with your friends. Your feedback is important for improving our videos. Please put your valuable suggestions on the comment section. Hit the bell icon for notifications on new videos and give us a thumbs up, motivate us. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on similar topics. Thanks for watching.